5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire! Alright, oh, that spinner spun up. That thing is scary, guys. The question is, will Woodpecker's top plate come off again? Will they be able to get around these defenses? It seems that Woodpecker has a problem with their weapon. Can Woodpecker maintain enough control to win this fight? Let's see. Oh, come on. Let's see some gore. Not really. Oh, it seems like Pothole can't get a good grip on Woodpecker's top plate. Will this fight go up to the judges or will their teammates say, oh? It seems like Woodpecker's going to maneuver around faster than Pothole, but can't really push him. Maybe having some control issues, I don't know. Oh, can he wedge him against the wall? Would this be the strategy? Oh, the spinner seems to stop moving. Is that a weapon grab or? Oh! 5, 4, 3, release from the bit. Alright, release from the bit.
No, keep going, keep going.
And, oh, the robot's still moving. They're still good. They're still in it, guys. Now weapon is spun up, guys. I think it's deadly if it hits right. Woodpecker, you gotta maintain control if you have any chance of winning this fight. Oh.
You guys try to do it, go on the ramp and cut you off.
Yeah, that's right. Down far enough.
Yeah, how much time do you have left in this fight? Only 45 seconds left in the fight. Will either bot be disqualified?
10,
I really don't know.
4,
3, 2, 1.
Woodpecker, release him with the pin.
Release the pin. I get the Russian spinning up again. Oh, that's some tremendous pushing right there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woodpecker releases the pin. All right. Seems to sustain some pretty serious damage to the armor, but it's still moving just fine. Oh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Guys, that is the end of the fight between Woodpecker and Pothole. The decision will go up to the judges. It's the first time they've gotten to do their job. Look at that. Good fight. We're going to give the judges time to release their decision, and that's 2 minutes until the next fight. You may take the box out of the arena. Please turn on that stand.
Fix it in case you win. You guys don't have patterns.
I'll go Pothole.
Looks like Woodpecker ready to fix up the pattern one. That's totally with the weapon. Decision from the judges. Do you have a decision?
The decision was made. It was a split decision. Woodpecker 2